Learn about our country's past and better understand its present direction with Gale In Context U.S. History. Click Browse Topics for fast access to frequently studied movements, figures, conflicts, and more. Browse all topics or choose a category. Assess your interest in a subject. Expand your understanding with hand-picked featured content. Use primary sources to immerse yourself in first-hand perspectives. Engage with multimedia coverage. Multiple source types help you understand the events and people central to American history. Click options to add limiters and view sources. Use Cite to start your works cited. Or simply choose your preferred citation format at the bottom of the article. Save your results to stay organized and easily manage your research.